How to use AI for learning and education. Using AI for learning and education can make studying faster, smarter, and more interactive. There are different types of AI tools available which you can use to make your studying more fun and interactive. Ask AI to simplify complex topics. For example, explain quantum computing in simple terms for beginners. Or you can also ask for analogies. For example, explain blockchain like I'm 12 years old. AI breaks down topic step by step, making it easier to understand. You can copy and paste long articles, research paper, or notes and summarize those. It'll save you hours of reading and helps focus on essentials. You can also generate quizzes or flashcard for self-testing. Create 10 multiple choice questions on the French Revolution with answers. You can give prompts just like this, or you can use AI to help explain solutions and guide your steps without giving direct answers. You can also ask it to proofread essays or reports. That's all for today. Thank you.